Hey guys, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew and today I'm going to show you how to change your second BTR on a Xerox VersaLink C7030. Alright, now to change your second BTR or your second bias transfer roller, however you want to call it, it's going to be inside your left cover. So you'll open the left side cover by pushing up on the gray latch. Now your BTR is right here on the actual left side cover. There's two little orange squares on each end of that BTR. You take your thumbs and you're gonna put them on the black plastic right by the orange square. You'll take your forefingers and you'll go to the other side of that black clip and you'll squeeze your thumb and your finger together and unlatch both ends of that BTR. You'll pull straight up and out of the machine, and there is your second bias transfer roller. All right, now to go back into the machine, this C7000 series is really nice because it has a little caret right here in the plastic of the BTR. And there's also a little caret right here in the plastic of the housing where the BTR goes. So you can't really get it wrong. So you just take that caret, match it up to that caret, and you're gonna drop the BTR right in place while holding it exactly how you came out with it. Line that up, let it go, give it a nice little push, make sure it's in place. And then you'll close your left side cover. Make sure your front and your rear latches latch in place. All right, and that's it for the second BTR. You should be back up and running. Thanks for watching these videos. If you'd like to see more videos on this same model, click right here. I want to give a big shout out to all of our viewers. We just hit 300 subscribers and we're super excited about it. So if you find these videos helpful in any way, please make sure and like and subscribe if you're not already.